Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your electric bike throttle has suddenly stopped responding, it can make riding frustrating and inconvenient. A non-working throttle can be caused by low battery power, loose connections, incorrect settings, or temporary controller issues. Fortunately, this problem doesn't always mean that the throttle itself has failed. In many cases, a few basic checks can help restore normal operation and get your electric bike moving again. Before replacing expensive components, it's worth trying several simple troubleshooting methods. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that may help fix an electric bike throttle that is not working properly. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the electric bike throttle system has sufficient battery power. Step 2. Inspect the wiring connected to the electric bike throttle for loose plugs. Step 3. Restart the controller that manages the electric bike throttle. Step 4. Check whether the electric bike throttle is blocked or physically damaged. Step 5. Verify that the settings associated with the electric bike throttle are configured correctly. Step 6. Test the electric bike throttle and confirm that it responds normally again.